Hi, M6573. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Jane Vasquez. I am 42 years old. I am married. I have 4 children. I have I have experience as domestic helper in Valenzuela City from 2023 to 2025. I took care of newborn baby until the child is 2 years old. I
Okay.
also handle household like washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, and marketing.
So, you have experience, only one experience here in the Philippines, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for 2 years.
Yes, sir.
And you took care of a newborn baby
Yes, sir.
until 2 years old,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, so your highest educational attainment.
I'm high school graduate.
Okay, high school graduate. So since you have experience taking care of a newborn baby, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
You know how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the newborn is crying, what will you do?
The babies. I check the I check the temperature of the baby and I check the diaper, changing diaper if full, and I give feeding to the baby.
Okay, you will feed the baby.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I call my employer, sir, and I inform the baby is not feeling well.
Okay. What is your reason or your motivation to work in Hong Kong?
My motivation to work in Hong Kong for my family and especially to my 4 children. I give a better life for my
Okay.
children.
How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finish my contract and if needed, I renew my contract if I want my employer.
Okay, if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Uh, sir, honestly, sir, I only I have no
You don't
honestly,
have
sir,
any idea.
yes, I have no idea, but I'm willing to learn, sir, to learn to recipe
Okay.
to cook
Cook Chinese
Chinese
food.
food.
Okay. And also you could watch on YouTube, right?
Yes, sir.
Or ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare if you got an employer in Hong Kong, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
If your employer uh, wants you to work on Sunday or in holiday, it is okay with you?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Can you promise not to use cell phone without your employer consent?
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets and elderly?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
If your employer or one of your employer's family can't speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay. My last question, what will be your message for your employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Please choose me because I'm hardworking, honest, and trustworthy person. Thank you, sir and ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Mary Jane. Thank
Thank
you.
you.